friends, we're talking about dinosaurs, and the letter D starts dinosaurs. So today you're going to make a dinosaur out of letter D. And actually you can make two, because here's on the paper is enough to make two. So here's the head, and here's the tail, and here's letter D. So you can have an adult help you cut it out. And here are the scales to put on the back. You can do whatever color you want. You can decorate this any way you want. And this is what it will look like if you choose to do this. So you have two legs, a head, a tail, and you're going to put it together to look like this, or any way you choose. If you want to use two heads on your dinosaur, have fun with that. If you want to use three, well, you can decorate another one. Have three heads on your dinosaur, have fun with that. If you want to have all these scales on your dinosaur, that's great. Have lots of fun with this, friends. Bye.